So I've been working on this ute for a good mate of mine for over 2 years. And we're nearly at the stage now where I can start splashing a bit of primer and stuff on him. I wasn't happy with this side, so I reglazed it. And I'll probably have to go over it again because I just not happy with it at all. Lost my hammer now. No. Just need to. Oh, here it is. Hey, buddy boy. So if I can give anyone any advice for getting pen work done, don't try and do it yourself if you've got no idea. Because what's happened here, a good mate of mine, I love him, he tried to weld up all the tarp holes. Well, he didn't try, he did it. Which has caused me a great deal of work. Because this is not one of the first vehicle I've done with him. I've done a few vehicles over the years. It's got to be right. Oh, that feels better. Small block for there. We'll just walk another piece on there. because this particular vehicle has a return sweep on it, which means the panel goes from like, it curves like this. Not only does it do that, but it arches from there to there. So the panel work required for that is quite extensive. And those guys, as much as I love them, to try and save me some time, is actually creative work for me, which is shit. Oh, I mean, that's so close. I'll just try and block that a little bit. No, it's not going to come out because, you know why? High spot, high spot, high spot. Even though I'll tap those two guys down, but it's right on the return sweep arch. So I'm thinking what I'll do is I might whack like a little bit of base coat over and see what it looks like, and go from there. Actually, I'm going to whack a bit of Prepsol over plastic grease remover. Give me a little bit of a shine. Have a look on an angle and see what it looks like. It's not feeling too bad. It's feeling better than it was this morning, that's for sure. Oh yeah. That looks really good. Obviously feeling way more into what it actually looks like. And I think with another coat of primer and another block, that's going to look fantastic. Oh yeah. Yep. I've got to keep doing it because it looks so good. It's my work. Yep. And the sweep. This sweep goes like that. It's crazy. Whoever thought of that in Australian vehicles is, you know, off their head, but anyway. Guys, what I'll do is I'll just show you what I've done on this vehicle. It's been a lot of hours work. I've had to repair every one of those ribs in the back of this ute. So I had a friend of mine lay underneath it. Sorry, I was underneath it and I knocked him up and he had the dolly on the top side. Plus that back panel there. On that back panel there, like, people put stuff in the back of these vehicles, don't secure it, slides forward, damages all that. That took a hell of a lot of time to repair all that. And plus these wheel arches, all these wheel arches were caved in, and I probably should have took some videos of them beforehand of how bad they were. I think just alone, so far what I have, just in repairing the back of this ute, is over 40 hours. Is over 40 hours. And then again across the back here, everything hits across the back here, so I had to repair all that. They have tarp lugs in here. My mates wheeled all them up and then ground them, causing divots, so I had to repair all across there as well. And then just as of the other day, we're thinking that he wants to run extra wide tyres now. So what I had to do is I had to roll all these arches, which is, you know, like a couple of days work in that. It was day outside rather. Down here, it had a tow ball at one stage. That's just a bit of bloody filler that is run. Obviously, when they're hooking the up to whatever to a tow bar, they've missed. All these were caved in. So was along the back of this. And this side's already blocked, and this side's really, really good. For whatever reason, this side came out really easy. Obviously, there's a little bit of rust there, but when I rolled the edges, it cracked a little bit of filler out of the that I put in previously. So obviously, I had to put some more in there. And you can see, obviously, I've rolled those edges as well. But this isn't too far off being base coated. It's a lovely colour that I will show you guys, but not at the minute. I've mixed up a base coat that I'm going to have to do this in 2 stages because it's such a big vehicle. So my plan is to finish off the back, and I still have a little couple of little items here that I have to repair. That I'd nearly get this whole back finished, and then I would see a little imperfection and have to come along and fix it. He's a really good friend of mine. He's been a friend of mine for a lot of years, and this has been the 3rd vehicle I've worked on for him over the period of probably 30 years. So I want it right. He needs it finished by the end of the year for his young bloke's function that he's got to have, like a wedding or something or other. I'm not too sure. But at the moment, it's been a lot of hours. And to be honest, like I love doing it. I've done it all my life. Obviously, I enjoy doing it, so otherwise I wouldn't keep doing it. But this side, I wasn't happy with. I rubbed my hand over it this morning. It felt wobbly, so I put 80 grit back on the big board file and went over it. I guide coated it, put 80 grit over it again, and saw all the low spots and what have you. So I've dressed them up. Yep, so I still have a couple of high spots here, but they're not dramatic at the minute. I'm thinking that filler will get those, but I've missed it in here. Now I've got it dressed up, but this is fine. There's no dramas. So I'm gonna come back along here anyway. This particular ute body was really good for rust wise. Yeah, I can't really complain. So it's pretty much been all body work, only because my mate tried to save me time and weld up all the lug holes for the tarpaulin. And admittedly, like he welded one here, then go across the other side, and then came back. But he never cooled it down. He only welded it and left it. You need to have some compressed air on it, blowing it down and whatever you. I don't particularly do it like that. My method's a lot more different to guys that are obviously trying to save themselves some time and money. Yeah, so that's where we're at, guys. I'm hoping by this weekend that I'm going to have some colour or base coat at least on this, so I can at least inspect. I still have like little pieces here that I found today. Obviously got to reseal along these seams. and I have all that over there. And bearing in mind that all these beds on these Australian utes, and this particular model, or actually for a fair few, right over even to the Commodores, are galvanised. It's a bitch to weld, and it's very rough in stature, as you can see. Like, if you can see that part there, you see the grain. Oh, you actually can't because of the thing, but you might see it here. It's very, very grainy. And I want it right. My name's going to be attached to this, as it is to his other vehicles, so I want it right. Anyway, guys, so that's where we're at. It's going okay. We've still got a little bit to do. I'll just keep tapping away, and yeah, I'll crack another beer. I'll bring you back soon. Bye.